Told you.
Engines don't like to start when they're cold. It's a cold one this morning. It is February 14, 2024. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. We're going through the bridge, then we're going to go through the lock, and we're headed towards the Chesapeake Bay today. Go.
Get ready to come through. If you don't mind lining up and getting ready.
This is Valkyrie. I am lined up, ready for the bridge over.
Bring on up there, Cap. I'll get ready to pop it over there.
Great Bridge Lock. This is Valkyrie. Copy that. All the way forward, port side 2. See you in a minute. You're going to use that longer stern line.
Alright, we're going port side.
Port side.
That was all about, but we had to do our own lines today. I can't be chucking a line around no cleat way that far back, so Mark had to come and do it. A little chaotic this morning. Not too sure about that. Left Chesapeake, Virginia. We will be anchoring out tonight. We'll be going past Norfolk. So it should be pretty good views of some of our Navy ships. There's some fishermen up here. So Mark will be a courteous captain and give him a no-wake pass, as I hope all other captains would.
Appreciate you all up there for us, Cap. Safe trip.
Yeah, anytime. You have a great day. Safe trip yourself.
So we're about to go under this bridge. Mark says the clearance is 35 feet and Valkyrie is 29 feet tall. High. Do you call a bridge tall? I mean, call a boat tall or call a boat high? Either way. It's like when you bring your SUV into a parking garage Do you duck? Because sometimes I feel like when we go under these short bridges, I need to duck. That was just a joke. Apparently not a funny one. This first bridge, which is a drawbridge, is a railroad bridge and always stays up unless otherwise needed or for maintenance.
And I believe it's operated remotely, that railroad bridge.
Oh, Mark said he thinks this bridge is operated remotely. Clear. So we're headed north, passing mile marker 0 of the Atlantic Intercoastal Waterway.
That's right.
So then we're only just officially in the Intercoastal Waterway.
Nope, now we're just in a harbor.
Now we're just in a river. So everything from now up through is no more Intercoastal Waterway. No more AICW or ICW or any of that acronym nonsense.
He was slowing up, then he was speeding up. Man, I don't even know what the name of the boat is. It's like LS 898222.
So he just cut up in front. Did you slow down?
I did. Well, the Navy overtook us on our port side without any communication. And by rule, we are the stand-on vessel, should have maintained course and speed, but there was a risk of collision, and so I slowed down to let them safely pass. Go about their business.
Well,
Y'all go have fun now.
Apparently the U.S. Navy's got business. So get out of the way, Valkyrie. Okay, we're in the Chesapeake Bay. Got a little bit of waves here. Been pretty calm right up until the last 10 minutes. Perfectly manageable. We're about an hour away from where we were going to anchor tonight. This is interesting, honey.
Yes, it is.
It's like a boat graveyard. There he is. So the anchor is going down. How much anchor are you putting out, Mark?
Put out 60 feet and then attach the bridle. Should put us right around 70.
Alright, so 70 feet with the bridle. How much water are we in then?
15 feet.
15 feet.
Might go a little further.
Chesapeake Beach. I don't know if I said that right. Oh my God, it's so cold out there. And it is, there we go, 2:15, 2:16. Oh, the sunset is just absolutely amazing.
It's a pretty cool experience.
It is a very unusual anchorage. All these concrete ships. We've had dolphins entertaining us out back. Now they're way at the other end of this row of ships to our right. But we were sitting on the mezzanine and had quite a show from the dolphins as they were feeding and jumping and playing, and now they're off to the distance in the right. But yeah, we've got the beach and the national park behind us, and we've got this row of ships acting as some sort of barrier.
How about call it a buffer, because just outside those ships are like, I would say 3, you would say 50-foot waves.
Yes. So it's very unusual anchorage, but very nice, and we're enjoying it. The sunset is amazing. Haven't seen one of those in quite a few days.
Up and out tomorrow, sunrise, opposite side.
Oh yes, we'll see the sunrise tomorrow. Better not have that third drink of wine. Maybe I'll have the third cocktail of wine. I'm not sure if I'll have the third of wine, but we'll see.
I think you should.
It's Valentine's Day.
I think whatever it takes to get a good night's sleep is what you should do.
Basically just go numb so I don't feel how cold it's going to be.
Yes. It's pretty much. Yeah. Don't want to feel the waves, don't want to feel the cold. Just want to get a good solid 6 hours, 7 hours of sleep.
I know, but look at the sunset is just spectacular.
Yeah, it really is quite a ball of fire, isn't it?